Let's start with Act 3, Scene 5. In Act 3, Scene 4, we have read about Nerissa's plan, clear, where Nerissa hand over the responsibility and management of her house to Lorenzo and Jessica, and she told them that she will, in the absence of her husband, she and Nerissa will spend her time in meditation and prayer in a monastery that is 2 miles away from their house. Right? But in reality, her plan was to go to Venice. She sent her servant Balthazar to Padua to Dr. Bellario, her cousin, to ask for his advice. Right? Now let's start Act 3, Scene 5. So this scene, it starts with a humorous dialogue from Lancelot. As we know, Lancelot, clear? And then Lorenzo and Jessica, they talked about Portia's qualities. Right? So this is there in Act 3, Scene 5. Now look at it. The scene takes place again in Belmont, the garden of Portia's house. Enter Lancelot and Jessica. Lancelot, and we know how Lancelot knew Jessica, because earlier he was the servant of Shylock. So he is in good terms with Jessica. Even Jessica likes him. Lancelot, yes, truly. Look you, the sins of the father are to be laid upon the children. Therefore, I promise you, I fear you. I was always plain with you, and so now I speak my agitation of the matter. Therefore, be of good cheer, for truly I think you are damned. Clear? So Lancelot till Jessica. So yes, truly, look you. So you see, the sins of the father are to be laid upon the children. Clear? He said ki there's no doubt about that the children are punished for the sins of their father. So children, here's the reference of the Bible. Clear? Biblic story. Therefore, I promise you, I fear you. So therefore, I assure you, I'm afraid for you. I'm fear on your behalf. I was always plain with you. Plain means frank, honest. So I have always been very frank with you. And so now I speak my agitation of the matter. So as I have been very frank with you, very honest with you, so I am telling you my agitation, my anxiety, my views. Clear? My thoughts on that matter. Therefore, be of good cheer. Truly, I think you are damned. So you must maintain a cheerful attitude in the light of what I am going to tell you. For truly, I think you are damned, because I really think that you shall go to hell. Why? Because of the sins of your father. Then Jessica replied, she said, I shall be saved by my husband. He hath made me Christian. So she said, I shall be saved by my husband because he has converted me to the Christian religion. Okay, because he has married me and now I have become a Christian. I am no longer a Jew. So that's why I'll be saved by my husband. Lancelot, truly the more to blame he. Now he said, your husband is indeed even more to blame. The more blame should be put on your husband. He is to be blamed. We were Christians enow before. Enow means enough. As many as could well live one by another. Says it. Because already there are a number of Christians in the country. There are enough Christians in the country. Yeah? And any further addition to their number, got it? And now even as many as could well live one by another. There are enough Christians already. There were enough of us before he made you a Christian. इससे पहले आपके हस्बैंड ने आपसे शादी करके आपको क्रिश्चियन बनाया, उससे पहले we are enough to live together. The number of Christians are enough to live together before you converted into Christianity. This making of Christian will raise the price of hogs. Now Lancelot is expressing his worries. Clear? She said this making of Christian will raise the price of hog. By the further addition to their number, through the conversion of the Jews to Christianity, it would lead to a greater demand for pork, and the price of pork will raise. Fine. If we grow all to be pork eater, we shall not shortly have a rasher on our coals for money. If we grow all to be pork eaters, and now I know why he's saying the price of the hogs, price of pig will rise, because the Jews do not eat do not eat pigs and Christians. So he said, if all the Jews will convert it into Christianity, the demand of the pig, the demand of pork will raise, and consequently the price will raise. If we grow all to be pork eater, we shall not shortly have a rasher on the coals for money. Rashers on the coal means the slice of bacon, the slice of pork cooking on the fire. So he said that if all the people became Christians and began to eat pork, clear? If we grow all to be pork eater, if all the Jews became Christians and they start to eat pork, we shall not shortly have a rasher on our coals for money. Then the pork shall become very rare, it will become very scarce, so that we will not be able to obtain even one roasted slice of pig at any price. If all the people will turn into Christianity, so the pork will become a rare commodity, and we will not be able to find even a single slice of baked pork at any price. Fine. So this is how Lancelot expresses worries. Jessica, I will tell my husband Lancelot. What do you say? Here he comes. So Jessica said, okay, I will tell my husband what you have said to me, Lancelot, because my husband is coming here. Enter Lorenzo. Now Lorenzo enters into the scene. Lorenzo, I shall grow jealous of you shortly, Lancelot, if you thus get my wife into corner. So Lorenzo said, Lancelot, I shall soon begin to feel jealous of you if you push my wife in this way into corner. If you talk to my wife privately, clear? If you push my wife to the corner where you can whisper together, where you can talk to her privately, very soon I will begin to feel jealous of you. Right? So children, revise it till here. The rest we will do tomorrow. Thank you.